I'm hiding down below because I have second-hand embarrassment. because
Why do you have second-hand embarrassment? What's the matter?
Chris
Yeah.
fell off the back on the boat in front of everybody.
How's it going? So today we are replacing the grip tape on our steers. As you can see, I've pulled some off already. That's what it looks like. Come off pretty easy. And then this is what we're using to replace it. That's the best we could find. So we have to do a couple of strips on each step after we clean it up. So there you go, we've removed the old tape, gave it a clean up, bit of a vacuum, measured out some new stuff roughly, and then put it on, and this is the final result. Look at that, pretty flash, right? Right, so I've just been down to the hardware store, I found teak oil, Sikaflex, sandpaper. I'm going to use all that to restore the seats outside, and I'll take you through that process. Right, so today I'm going to fix the seats, because on here, this one here has been lifted up. As you can see, that one's sitting higher than the rest. So I'm going to take this piece out here, cut the caulking away, strip it up, and we'll see what we can do. So I've just pulled these two boards up, and under here that's really wet, there's a lot of moisture in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to get some sunshine on it, dry it out, and then we shall re-glue it and fix it up. Okay, so I've tried sanding this, but as you can see there's high spots and low spots and high spots all the way through this, so I'm going to cut all of the silicone out.
Chris is out here sanding.
Oh hey. Okay, so what we're doing is we are going to glue these three bits down into this corner using some Sikaflex. We'll just cut the tip. Right, so we've just seen the time-lapse video of how the seat's done with the caulking, stripping it out, sanding it back, putting the new caulking in and staining it. We've got 5 more seats to do, so I'll show you that, but with the power of television we can make it a little bit quicker. How about that? Job done. Looks bloody good. Just like to say special thanks to our mate Eddie, who's lent us a couple of sanders. I blew one of them up, so might owe him a bottle of something very nice to say thank you. But no, he's helped massively with that big job. But that one's done, so I'm sure we'll find another one very soon.
We're getting takeaways for dinner tonight, but our favourite burger place we found out was closed, so we have to find another takeaway shop because cooking is off the menu on this Friday night tonight. So we're going to get some pasta and some pizza. Chris is going to shoot down on the scooter and grab that for us. Pasta and pizza is super cheap, like really cheap. So it's probably going to cost us like what, 20 New Zealand dollars for a pizza and a big pasta, whereas in New Zealand we were paying $25 for our pizza, so it's pretty good. I'll show you when it arrives. Dinner arrived. Pasta
And pizza.
and pizza and rum and Coke for Chrissy.
Delicious treats.
How much did this cost altogether?
€12.
For a big pizza and a pasta. More dinner. So today I just did some baking. I just made some banana muffins with the leftover bananas that I wasn't going to eat. I just used the New Zealand Edmonds cookbook. It's the first time I've baked on board, so that's cool, that's exciting. So I'm just making a dessert tonight, so I've put a caramel sauce into these cups, and then I'm going to pour this mixture into, it's like a creme brulee, so I'm going to put this mixture into these molds and then freeze them. But I'm not supposed to thicken this milk, and I feel like it is getting a little bit thick, so I'm going to pour them into the molds. These are my muffins. They turned out perfect. Some of them were a little bit brown on the bottom, but these ones are all good. Also finished my custard desserts. They look good.
So I just found a shop that's hardware store. Right, so I've just found a hardware. Okay, so I've just found a hardware store. Hardwood store, right? Woodwood, right? So I've just been down the shop and got some teak oil, some Sikaflex, and some sandpaper, and I'm going to take, I don't know, fuck that, and I'm going to, no, yeah, what am I going to do?
Going to sand down an old one.
Yeah, so I'm going to, so out in this whole area here, which all looks the same, forgot what I was going to say. Just thought I'd start again because I don't know what I was saying.
Kia ora. So what Chris was actually trying to say is this submarine zone here we had to try and avoid, and then you also have mine lane practice area that we had to avoid as well, and then this square here is actually the
It's the what? It's
the,
the
hold on.
horizon.
It's the, I can't find the word. It's the, what's the word? Help me.
Firing zone.
It's the firing zone.
No, is that the same ones? Thanks for watching this week. Join us next week to see what we get up to. If you haven't already, please hit that like and subscribe so you can get up-to-date information about what we're up to. But yeah, we've been blown away with all the support and all the subscribers that we've got already, so very happy with that. Thank you guys so much. Hope you guys enjoy your week.